A&D blood pressure monitors allow you to keep an eye on your heart health at home. This monitor comes with an adjustable wide-range cuff, owner's manual, quick start guide, and includes a carrying case and 4 AA batteries for immediate use, as well as an optional power source and portability. The monitor provides reliable and trustworthy readings and has clinical-grade accuracy, so it delivers measurements that are as precise as those taken in a medical setting. To get the best readings, avoid eating, drinking alcohol, smoking, bathing, or exercising for at least 30 minutes before use. Make sure the cuff is about a ½ inch above your elbow and that you can fit 2 fingers between your arm and the cuff with the air hose pointing towards the middle of your palm. Keep your arm at heart level and sit down with your back supported and your feet flat on the ground. The device features 1-button operation for quick and easy functionality. Press the Start-Stop button and stay still and quiet during the measurement. While it's taking your reading, breathe normally and don't hold your breath, as that can cause a high reading. It's that easy. It's best to check your blood pressure at the same time each day. The A&D blood pressure monitor has color-coded bars on the display for quick understanding: green for optimal or normal, yellow for normal high or hypertension type 1, and red for hypertension type 2 or 3. If the monitor detects an irregular heartbeat, the IHB symbol will blink. You can review readings on the device using the up or down arrow buttons, and it will display the average of all measurements. To ensure accurate readings, this monitor offers advanced cuff fit detection to avoid errors from incorrect cuff placement. And with integrated movement detection, it minimizes the risk of inaccurate results due to movement. With Bluetooth capabilities, you can use the highly rated Heart Track app to track unlimited measurements and easily share your data with your friends, family, or doctor. A&D Medical, empowering health, one beat at a time.